Integration of x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx we have to solve. Can I write x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to, this is capital A divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. Left hand side will remain same, x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Now let me take the LCM, x plus 1 into x plus 2, so it will become a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. This and this is cancel out, so x is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Now in case 1 put x plus 1 is equal to 0, in case 2 put x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now let me put x plus 1 is equal to 0. What it mean? X is equal to minus 1. If I put x is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 is here, so this is equal to a minus 1 plus 2. It will become 0. So minus 1 is equal to a. So what is the value of a? It is minus 1. So let me put the value of a, it is minus 1. Now in case 2 I have to put x plus 2 is equal to 0, or I can put x is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is equal to, it will become 0. So this is capital B minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 is equal to, this is nothing but minus b. So what is the value of b? The value of b is nothing but 2. So let me put the value of b 2 here. Fine. So let me quickly rub this. So can I write this as integral of minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into dx plus 2 is outside, integration 1 divided by x plus 2 into dx. So you can take minus sign outside, it will become log of mod of x plus 1 plus 2. It will become log of mod of x plus 2 plus c. One answer is this. If you want to further simplify this, so you can use this formula, m log n can be written as, this can be written as log n to the power m. And always remember, whenever you have mod of x square, so this is equal to x square. Fine, remember this. So can I write finally? So can I write this as nothing but log of x plus 2 square minus, this is nothing but log of mod of x plus 1 plus c. Or if you want to rearrange this, you can also write this as log of x plus 2 whole square divided by, this is nothing but x plus 1 with magnitude plus c is the answer. Thank you.